Hello, my name is Ivan from Kanyan Corporation Company. Today I'm glad to introduce a Kanyan Corporation project Join and Build with Well and Able Holding, Singapore. Well and Able Holdings is a Singapore-based company with offices and factories in Shanghai and is represented by various partners in different regions of the world including Asia, Middle East, Europe and South Africa. Let's us take a few minutes to see our fantastic modern living apartment. Coming home to modern living at Phonkham is an experience designed to inspire a whole new level of living, from the moment you reach the stunning entrance of the residences, to the time you fall back into the restorative depths of your well-appointed apartment. Boutique-style luxury at modern living at Phonkham, the embodiment of elegant living in an upscale residence embraced by nature and overflowing with exclusivity. The grand entryway is a masterpiece that will fill your heart with wonder. As you make your way towards your doorstep, you'll breeze by the concierge desk. The exclusive service caters to the individual needs of every resident, giving you unlimited ease and infinite peace of mind. Seek ultimate calmness and serenity at the landscape deck, a tranquil oasis surrounded by an abundance of flora and outfitted with state-of-the-art facilities for your every need. All your needs and everyone needs. Cool off in the swimming pool, and have an indulgent soak, or just sit back and relax at the pool deck. At the Executive Club Lounge and alfresco dining pavilion, you can celebrate unforgettable moments in an exclusive, comforting atmosphere, elevated in the company of nature and the vastness of the wide, open spaces around you. Come now to select a unit of your choice. Talk to your property agent or call our sales office at 030-9300093. Email at sales@kanyangroup.com. Thank you.